Isabel was a scientist passionate about exploring the mysteries of the universe. She worked at an observatory located high in the mountains, where the night skies were clear and the stars seemed close enough to touch. Isabel spent her nights peering through powerful telescopes, studying celestial bodies and searching for signs of life beyond Earth. One night, while observing a distant galaxy, Isabel noticed something unusual. A tiny, flickering light moved erratically across the screen. Intrigued, she adjusted her telescope for a closer look. The light was not a star or a comet. It seemed to be an object, and it was moving in a way that suggested intelligent control. Isabel's heart raced with excitement. She quickly recorded the object's coordinates and noted its path. After double-checking her data, she decided to investigate further. She called her colleague, Dr. Lucas, and shared her findings. Dr. Lucas was equally fascinated and agreed to help her. Together they worked through the night, tracking the mysterious object. They observed it for several days, confirming that it was not a natural phenomenon. It was too small to be a spaceship, but it moved with purpose, suggesting it was some sort of probe or drone. Isabel and Dr. Lucas decided to send a signal to the object. Using the observatory's advanced equipment, they transmitted a series of mathematical sequences, hoping to establish contact. To their amazement, the object responded with a similar sequence. They had made contact with an unknown intelligence. The next step was to decode the signals. Isabel and Dr. Lucas worked tirelessly, analyzing the data and trying to understand the patterns. They realized the signals contained information about the object's origin and mission. It appeared to be a probe sent from a distant star system, gathering information about different planets and their potential for supporting life. As they decoded more messages, Isabel and Dr. Lucas learned that the probe had been traveling for centuries, collecting data and sending it back to its home planet. The probe's creators were a highly advanced civilization seeking knowledge about the universe. Isabel and Dr. Lucas decided to send a message back, sharing information about Earth and its inhabitants. They included details about humanity's achievements, culture, and history, hoping to establish a friendly exchange of knowledge. Days turned into weeks as they communicated with the probe. Each new message brought exciting revelations about the distant civilization and their understanding of the cosmos. Isabel and Dr. Lucas felt a deep sense of connection with these beings, despite the vast distance separating them. One day, the probe sent a final message. It thanked Isabel and Dr. Lucas for their cooperation and friendship, and announced that it was returning to its home planet. The probe promised to share what it had learned about Earth with its creators, paving the way for future contact between the two civilizations. Isabel watched as the tiny light on her screen grew fainter and eventually disappeared. She felt a mix of sadness and excitement. While the probe was gone, its legacy remained. Isabel and Dr. Lucas had opened a door to the stars, proving that humanity was not alone in the universe. Their discovery made headlines worldwide, inspiring a new generation of scientists and dreamers. Isabel continued her work at the observatory, driven by the knowledge that the universe was full of possibilities waiting to be explored. Morale: Isabel's story teaches us that curiosity and perseverance can lead to incredible discoveries. By reaching out to the unknown, we can build bridges and expand our understanding of the universe, reminding us that the quest for knowledge is a journey that never ends.